What's up, everybody? I hope everyone's having a good Memorial Day weekend. I got a couple things I'm going to be changing up on the Grom today, so I figured I'd make a video and bring you guys along with me. Basically, I'm going to be painting these side vents right here because I'm not too fond of this white writing that's on there. So I'm going to paint those. I'm going to show you how to take off the side panels to get to those. And then also, when I bought the bike, this was painted gold inside. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm probably going to do it silver. I'm not too sure I'm going to do it yet, but I'm definitely going to change that. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, see, it's gold. When I first bought the bike, the previous owner, these come with gold forks, and he kind of painted it to match. So I got rid of the gold forks. Everything's polished now. I'm going to change that either to black or silver. I'm not too sure yet. Well, when we get around to it, I'll figure out what I'm going to do. But first, I'm going to go ahead and take off these panels, take the side vents off, get them sanded and prepped and ready for paint. I'm just going to paint them flat black. I'm going to leave this little grill in here silver just because I kind of like it. But I'm going to paint everything else. I'm going to sand this so it's nice and smooth and make sure I get rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead and throw you guys on a time lapse and show you how I take off the panels. Alright, so first thing you want to do is take the seat off. Take the seat off. Put this over here. Alright, so to take this side panel off, there's a couple Allen screws you're going to have to take out. Hex screws, Allen keys, whatever you want to call them.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Okay, and then after you get the panels off, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws right behind. You just take those off and then the side vent comes out. And then it's the same for the other side. You just got 4 bolts on the back of these. Don't want to scratch your paint. Alright, so here's all my pieces. Alright, so I got my dual Super Bond Krylon paint and primer in one. It's a matte black, so that's what I'm going to use for the side vents. And then went in my girl's drawer, got me some silver nail polish. So pretty sure that's how they did this one. You can tell it's kind of like bumpy. I mean, you can't really tell until you get up close. See if you guys can see it, probably not. But I'm just gonna fill it in with this color fill and see what happens. I mean, worst case, if it doesn't come out good, I'll just paint the whole thing black. But next, I'm just gonna sand these smooth so the letters don't really show through. They're kind of like painted on. They're not stickers. If they were stickers, I would have just took them off. But I'm just gonna sand these off, sand them nice and smooth, and then I'll get to painting. So I got some 2000 grit here, or 1000 grit. I'm just gonna scuff it up. I mean, these letters don't really protrude too much, but just try to get them smooth.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So I got them all smooth. It really didn't take much. I mean, they were just slightly above the paint. Both of them smooth. Some of the paint kind of washed away here. Let's see if we can focus. There we go. It's nice and smooth. So I'm gonna apply some paint prep. Let's see if I have some. Alright, so I got a fresh, clean microfiber rag. I'm gonna clean these up just to make sure the paint sticks really well. And I've always had good luck with this product. Just spray it on the rag. Just kind of wipe it down. It's nice and clean. So I don't have any masking tape, but I do have some packing tape. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of tape over the grill here on the front side, and it should be all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these again because mainly I just touched them, and don't ever use packing tape. It just left like sticky residue on parts that it kind of stuck really well since I removed all the grease and stuff from it. So I'm just gonna give it another go around just to make sure it's nice and clean and the paint will stick well.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright guys, so here's the finished product. It looks a lot cleaner. The white here was just really drawing a lot of attention to this. There's not a lot of going on in that area, so when you have just some bright white letters, it almost looks like stickers, but it looks way better. And this down here, the little Honda, it looks a lot better silver. I mean, I wouldn't mind it black either, but the gold, I mean, other than the Olin's, which is kind of like yellow, it flows a lot better. I think it looks a lot cleaner. Fairly simple, nothing too crazy, but you know what? It made the bike look a whole lot better, I think. What do you guys think? Post your thoughts in the comments. If you thought it was a waste of time. I think it looks good though. It came out really well, both sides. Really well. Little subtle thing, but you know what? Sometimes that's what it takes. Sometimes just some little details that you want to touch up and add. I'll just go ahead and add some glamour shots in here for you guys. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Pretty simple thing, nothing too crazy. I do got some more parts coming in, so stay tuned. They should be here in about a week. I'm uploading this Memorial Day weekend, so give it about a week from now. I should pretty much have those new parts. I'll make a video of installing those and unboxing those as well. But that's it for today guys. Stay tuned, I got some more stuff coming out, and peace out.